Instructions for students. 1. Observe the picture carefully.
1. सादा और मख्तसर जुमले इस्तेमाल करें।
2. Find the actions happening in the picture.
तस्वीर में होने वाले एक्शन को तलाश करें।
3. Write sentences describing actions.
एक्शन बयान करने वाले जुमले लिखिए।
4. Learning activity. Watch the given picture carefully and write the events in it.
दी गई तस्वीर को गौर से देखें और उसमें वाक़यात लिखिए।
Solve activity. For example, actions flying, grazing, walking, etc. 1. The man is walking after a bull. 2. The cow is grazing. 3. The birds are flying in the sky. 4. A man is boating in river. 5. A woman is walking with a girl. Practice activity. 1. Write the action words for actions happening at your home or class.
अपने घर या क्लास में होने वाली कार्रवाइयों के लिए एक्शन अल्फाज लिखिए।
2. Write the sentences by using appropriate action words.
मुनासिब एक्शन अल्फाज इस्तेमाल करके जुमले लिखिए।
Action words happening at class. Teaching, thinking, giving, reading, observing, drawing, showing, asking, closing, opening, counting, asking. Action words happening at home. Playing, eating, watching, drinking, reading, sleeping, running, dancing, drawing, talking, studying, cooking. Two, write the sentences by using appropriate action words. He is hopping like a rabbit. Kate is drinking water. I am eating an apple. I am singing my favorite song. They are studying together. He is jumping over the wall and is looking at her pet. The player is running with the ball. He is brushing his teeth. Joy is shopping by online. She is laughing at them. She is eating lunch. He is teaching the students. They are sleeping on the floor. We are searching for the criminals. May is speaking in the phone. Evaluation. Write describing sentences on any action from the textbook. Subhan is taking guavas to the market. Taking. Champa is selling flowers at the bus stop. Selling. Sonu and Monu are busy watching TV. Watching. Magan and his gardener are looking for Magan's ring. Looking.
उस एक्टिविटी में आपको करना पड़ेगा।
Extension activity. 1. Find 10 action words from the textbook.
1. दरसी किताब से 10 एक्शन अल्फाज तलाश करें।
2. Use those action words in your reference.
2. उन कार्रवाई के अल्फाज को अपने हवाला में इस्तेमाल करें।
3. Write 10 sentences by using action words.
3. एक्शन अल्फाज इस्तेमाल करके 10 जुमले लिखें। मज़ीद वीडियोज़ देखते रहें और चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।